You can calculate records at the end of an Excel table. Click at any cell of table. In Design Tools, Table Style Options group. Check the Total Row box. At the end of table row, the total row is added. You can see at the end of table row, bottom border, double line is inserted. In default, at the end of first column, total is added. Similarly, at the end of last column, total row option adds the number. If the last column contains text, then total row option will count the records. Click this cell. This cell shows total price of items. Click this button to display list of functions. You can see these are statistical functions and most commonly used functions. You can insert more functions by clicking More Function button. To calculate average of price items, click Average. You have average of price items. Similarly, to calculate maximum value of price items, first click this button, click Max. You have maximum price of items. First click this cell to display list of functions. Click this button. As this record contains only text, so I click Count button. You have 29 records in this column. First click this cell to display list of functions. Click button, then click Count. You have 29 records in this column. Click this cell to display list of functions. Then click this button. As this record contains both numbers and text, so click Count. You have 29 records in this column. Similarly, you can check record in this column. If you add or delete records, records are automatically updated in total row.